2015 Honda CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, security system, power windows, compass, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, leather seats, overhead console. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.